Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram edit thumbnail after posting. Now to edit thumbnail after posting, what you have to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon, then head to that specific reel or video that you might have posted previously. Now once you go ahead and you will be able to find this three dotted menu icon. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it. From there you should be able to find an edit option over there. However, it is not shown in mine currently, but it should be available in yours. Now once you tap on it, you should be able to find another box or your reel box over here where you will find a small edit button right next to it. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it, and from there you will be able to upload a new thumbnail or cover, or just select from your video. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your editing journey, and if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.